guys, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I have not filmed a video in such a long time that I almost feel like I don't know how to film a video, but hello, hi, I'm back. Kind of. So if you guys watched my last video, which has been a while now, you would have known that I was moving and I was trying to like get my life together essentially, and it's been a few weeks now, but it's just boxes everywhere still. I don't know why it's taken me so long to unpack everything, but I thought that I'll post a video today because I missed filming and editing videos and I missed like interacting with you guys. So today's video, I'm not sure whether it's gonna end up being like just a casual vlog or an actual unboxing video. As you guys can see, I'm just standing here because the rest of my apartment is extremely messy. So yeah, so for now you just get to see this white wall that hopefully looks alright. I'm also using like natural lighting because I have not figured out where I want to film in my apartment, so I haven't set up my lighting and everything. So yeah, hopefully this lighting is okay, and please disregard this very boring background. But anyway, that was way too long of an intro. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, so I have two things to show you guys. One of them is extremely exciting, and then the other one, you guys already know what it is. I legit bought this just to see what it looks like, and I'll get into that later, but for now, let's have a look at the more exciting one. So you guys can tell from the box, it is a pair of Clot AF1s, but it's not like the one I unboxed in my previous video. So I unboxed the blue pair, but this one over here is, ta-da! So it is the black pair, so you guys already know that means this is the Fragment Clot collab, and let's put this down. Comes with a set of red laces. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Now this is not in my size, this is in a size US 10. The black pair is far more limited, as you guys know. They did an exclusive drop in Japan, and I just feel like the details on this is so pretty. So obviously you can see it is a different colorway from the previous one that I unboxed, which I actually have over here. So let me just show you guys. I think the box is exactly the same, and the only difference, well, there's more than one difference, but the main difference is obviously the colorway. And then on the black pair, because it is a Fragment collab, you can see this very, very minor detail. Where is it? Over here. So you can see there is the Fragment logo over here. Now it is very low-key, it's the kind of thing like if you know, you know. So if you look at the insole, you can see it is red and it has the Fragment branding as well. But yeah, and it also has the secondary layer. So for this one, the secondary layer is red, and based on the photos, it looks quite similar to like the OG pair that's red once the upper layer is removed. But because this is not my pair, I would not be doing that because you just can't ruin people's shoes like that. But yeah, I do have the blue pair, and I actually have not worn these. Like I wore it in my last, was it my last video? Anyway, one of my videos. And then since then, I have not worn these. I am considering like removing the top layer, but I don't know. Should I do it? Let me know. But yeah, I thought I'll just give you guys a quick look. I just think the detail on the silk upper material is really, really pretty. And because it's like black on black, it is very subtle, but when you're in the right lighting, you can really see the silk material and the shine. If I'm not mistaken, I think Edison Chen posted that he will not be releasing any more Clot Nike Air Force Ones in a long time. So maybe the resale value has gone up for the Clot sneakers. But yeah, just show you guys one more time that little Fragment logo. It's so subtle. Hopefully one day I will get these in my size. Obviously the resale price for this is quite high at the moment, and I'm not about to drop money on these in my size because I just feel like I've been a little bit poor lately. Like, I don't know why, and I haven't even been buying that much. Like, I want to buy a few more things for my apartment, so I guess my priority is there. So I've been trying my best not to buy any more sneakers, because when I packed all my stuff, I realized how many sneakers I have, and like, do you know what I mean? Like, you just have everything like in one place and you're like, why do I have so much stuff? And then like I've been trying to tell myself that I would sell stuff. I think in one of my vlogs I told you guys I was gonna sell like my Yeezys and a few things, right? And since that vlog, I have sold one pair of shoes. So obviously I'm not great at selling things, and yeah, I need to be in a certain mood and then I'll take photos. And I usually post on like Facebook is the only place I post on. Do you guys use Depop? Like I heard Depop is good, as well as Grilled. Or I don't really like Gumtree because I feel like there's just a lot of lowballers on Gumtree, and I cannot stand when people lowball me, and that's why I think I can't sell my stuff, because like every time someone lowballs me, I'm like, look. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Let's move on to these. So as you guys can see the box, you already know what this is, and I think this released last weekend and the retail price was $80, and I bought these on the Adidas website. Honestly, like I bought it just because I wanted to see what they look like in person, and I just wanted to show you guys. But even based on the photos, like I did not have any form of expectation. Like I really expected this to just look bad. So yeah, I received it a few days ago and I thought I would show you guys what it looks like. They dropped, I think, 3 colorways, but in Australia there was only 2 colorways. There was like a white one, and then this one, if I'm not mistaken, is called Resin. And I actually wanted the other color, but it's sold out. I thought it would be pretty easy to cop, even though they're Yeezy slides. We all know that buying this is just buying into the hype. Like, I'm just gonna be real, I think they look terrible. They just look like another version of Crocs, and I'm sorry if any of you guys wear Crocs, but I cannot stand Crocs. But obviously, because this is, you know, under the Yeezy line, I had to pick one up to see what they look like. And first impression wise, it is very lightweight, but that's pretty much all I can say. It is comfy, but look at it. It's actually far chunkier than I expected. I'll get the other side out so I can show you guys. I think it's cute that it comes in this box, just like all the other Yeezys. And I got these in a size 6, and I would say they definitely fit true to size. If any of you guys are wondering, did any of you guys pick this up, or is it only me? This is what they look like. The sole of the slippers kind of look like the desert boot, like the same kind of like pattern. And my friend was telling me it kind of looks like something you wash your clothes with, like you know, the old school thing where you like scrub your clothes on. It kind of looks like that. And yes, I mentioned before, it's very lightweight, it is comfy. I have not worn these outside of my house. I've just been wearing them around, and I'll show you shortly what it looks like on feet. But I don't know whether you have to be like either super stylish to pull this off, or there's not much I can really say about these. You can see that it's the Adidas logo here. I kind of wish I got the other color. I feel like it would have been a little bit better. I don't even know how to describe this color, but you guys can see for yourself. I am not a fan of these, but I'm still glad that I picked them up because I'm just curious to see what they look like. Again, it was $80. I knew that it was going to be a waste of $80, but I will probably just wear these at home or when I go take the rubbish out. This is I guess my indoor slippers for now, and the next minute you see me on Instagram like wearing these. I don't know, I might wear these out one day when I'm feeling some type of way, but at the moment, like, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like on feet. Just give me a sec. So I apologize for wearing socks with these slides. Just that my toes don't look that cute at the moment. But look at these. They look like, do you call them like clogs? I don't know what you call them, but like, look at them. They look so chunky, and the colorway doesn't help either. Like, it looks just a little bit weird to me. Do you guys like my socks? I bought these online when I was in China, and obviously they're not real core socks because I don't think they exist, but I think they're pretty cute. They were like $1. But yeah, anyway, we're here to look at the slippers. I just find them like so funny looking. Also, in case you guys are wondering what I'm wearing today, I have actually repeated this outfit. So my necklace is the Nike Ambush necklace. This vest over here is the Nike Matthew Williams collection that came out, was it this year? Anyway, it came out a while ago. And then my pants, as usual, is from Uniqlo, and then my slides. Let me show you guys one more time. We are not sure. The shoe I was wearing before these, they are actually new, so I have not left my house at all. That's why I'm wearing them indoors, because I don't wear shoes at home. These are the satin black toes that I wanted for ages, and I finally got them from a resale store. It's called Sneakers Never Die. I'll link their Instagram down below, and yeah, if you're here in Melbourne, definitely recommend them. But I got them from there, and I'm so glad that I did, because I've been wanting them for a while now. I think they're so pretty, and obviously Jordan 1s are super wearable, and I think the colorway is great. So these are the shoes that I'm going to be wearing today. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it for me today. I know the video is a little bit short, maybe a little bit lame, but I really wanted to come back and start filming again. I will be going overseas really soon, so I will definitely be vlogging my trip. I know some of you guys really enjoy my travel vlogs, so I'll try and do that a little bit more. Well, I'll try and do that more while I'm traveling. Obviously, I haven't traveled since Shanghai. I will be traveling really soon, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I was gonna bring you guys along with me, like a vlog kind of thing today, but I honestly don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day, so I didn't want to make this video even more lame than it already is. But I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll make sure I post way more often now, because even though my life is not together, like I have not settled into my new apartment, but I'm slowly getting into it. I've just been busy with a lot of stuff, like personally, my personal life with work and things like that, and so I have not been able to do what I need to do. But yeah, if you guys want an actual life update video, let me tell you, I have so much tea to tell you guys, but I just don't know whether that's appropriate, because my channel isn't really about that. But maybe one day I will spill all the tea. But for now, yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.